4 types of soil in our earth. Sand. Always stand up when you answer.
Rang, 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 rang.
Tayo. Kylie, mag-prayer ka muna. Nagmamadali ka.
Go. Bakit pa ako dito?
Go.
Bakit ako dito?
May papansin! Okay, stop. Bakit ka umiiyak? Halika dito! Let us stand to pray. Go. Elijah, why are you standing? I don't want to! Go. Principal! Go. Principal! Bakit dito? Dito ba tayo yung bata? Tumayo ka! Spelling tayo of hyperpigmentation.
Hyperpigmentation?
Ala, may bagong schoolmate!
Hello! My name is John Irvin Matthew Leon.
Sorry, but bad news ngayon. Yung principal. Sino kaya ang alis muna ako, kids, ah. Good morning, Mr. Sonia. Bakit ka late, ha? Late mo ako nagising, eh. Late. Go. Pinalitan ko si Elijah sa seat niya dahil binubuli niya si Kylie.
Kakil ko.
Oh,
Hello!
hinahanap mo siya. Picture taking na tayo, kids, ah. This is the end of the school year.
End of school year.
Oy, say cheese, Matt.
This is the end of the school year.